Hi friends, this is Ramakrishna. In the Data Sufficiency Basics 1, we discussed 10 problems. Now we will discuss the remaining problems in this video class. Now, already I told choice A. Choice A means statement alone one is sufficient. Then you have to keep answer as a choice A. And choice B. Second statement alone is sufficient but not a choice statement 1. Then you have to keep answer as a choice B. And choice C. Suppose you are not getting the answer from the first statement and we are not getting the answer from the second statement, then we have to combine first statement and second statement together. While combining first statement and second statement together, if you are getting the answer, then answer is a choice C. And choice D. While you are combining first statement and second statement together also, if you are not getting the answer, then answer is a choice D. Cannot be determined. So these are the options they will give in a data sufficient. Now look at this question. What is the area of the rectangle PQRS? So we have to find out area of a rectangle PQRS. If you want to find out area of a rectangle PQRS, we should know what is the PQ value, that nothing but length, and what is the value of QR, that nothing but breadth. Why? Because area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay students, so we should know the PQ value, we should know the QR value. Now look at the first statement. First statement is PQ is equal to X centimeters. So according to first statement, length is equal to X centimeters. But we cannot find the answer from the first statement. Why? Because we don't know the breadth value. So we can eliminate the choice A. Now look at the second statement. QR is equal to Y centimeters. QR is equal to Y centimeters means breadth is equal to Y centimeters. So according to second statement also, we cannot find the answer. Why? Because we don't know the length. While you are combining first and second statement, we know length is equal to X centimeters, breadth is equal to Y centimeters. So area is equal to length into breadth. So we can write X into Y. So area of a rectangle is equal to X into Y. But here 60% of students, they will keep answer as a D. Why? Because they are thinking that we don't know the X value and we don't know the Y value. So that's why we cannot find. So answer is equal to D they will keep. But this is the wrong answer. Why? Because they are asking what is the value of rectangle PQRS. That means according to their measurements we have to give their answer. Whether the area of a rectangle is equal to how many centimeters. According to their measurements they gave X is equal to length is equal to X centimeters, breadth is equal to Y centimeter. By taking their values, we can say them area of a rectangle PQRS is XY centimeters. Here we don't want what is the X value, what is the Y value, because they gave length is equal to X and breadth is equal to Y. So area is equal to XY centimeters square. So we are giving the exactly answer. So in this case, answer is a choice. So we should not take our own values X and Y. Whatever the values they are giving in the statements, we should use those values only. So in this question, the answer is a C. But most of the people, they will keep answer as a D, which is a wrong answer because they are thinking what don't know the X value and Y value. Okay, now friends. So this answer is a C. Now look at the next question. What is the area of the equilateral triangle? So what is the area of the equilateral triangle means? We know area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Here a is called side of the equilateral triangle. Okay friends, so if you know the side, then we can find out the area. Now look at the first statement. All sides of triangle are equal. So whenever in a triangle all sides are equal, then we can say the triangle is a equilateral triangle. But we don't know, but they are not asking whether it is an equilateral triangle or not. They are asking area of the equilateral triangle. So we have to give the area. Right friends? So first statement is not sufficient. Why? Because they are telling about nature of the sides. Here all the sides are equal. But here we don't know what is the side value. So first statement is not sufficient. Now look at the second statement. The second statement is each side is equal to 8 centimeters. So here they gave side is equal to 8 centimeters. Here also students, some students they will keep answer as a C. Why? Because all the three sides are equal and each side equal to 8 centimeters. So we can find it is a equilateral triangle. Area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So they will keep answer as a C. But this is the wrong answer. Why? Because already they said it is an equilateral triangle. So when it is an equilateral triangle, we required side value. So already from second statement, we know the side. Side is equal to 8 centimeter. By using side, we can find out area is equal to root 3 by 4 into 8 into 8, because area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So 4 will goes 8 2 times, to 8 is 16. So 16 root 3 centimeter square. So from the second statement, we are saying directly area of equilateral triangle is equal to 16 root 3 centimeter square. So answer is equal to B option. But some students, they will keep answer as C, which is a wrong. Why? Because they will combine both the statement. Now look at the next question. What is the ratio of the boys and girls? So what is the ratio of the boys and girls in the class? So we have to find out B is to G. So when we can find the ratio of the boys and girls? There are two cases. First case is if you know the boys strength and girl's strength. If you know the boy's strength and girl's strength, we can find out this question answer. Or second situation, if we know the relation between boy's strength and girl's strength, then also we can find out the answer for this question. Okay, now students, so these two situations we can find out the answer for this question. Now look at the first statement. What is the first statement? There are 200 students in the class. There are 200 students in the class means, according to first statement, we cannot say the answer because we don't know how many boys are there and we don't know how many girls are there. According to this statement, cannot find the answer. So first statement we can eliminate. Now come to the second statement. Second statement is 60% of total students. 60% of total students are girls. So if you take a classroom, there will be boys and girls. Right, students? Out of the boys and girls, they mention 60% of students are girls. So 60% of students are girls means, according to percentage basics, one value is this x means other value is 100 minus x. So here girls are 60% means boys are 100 minus 60. 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40%. So according to second statement, when girls are 60%, boys are 40%. So if you eliminate these percentages, so 40 is to 60. So 40 is to 60, if you simplify, 20 will goes to 2 times and 20 will goes to 60 3 times. So the ratio of boys and girls is at 2 is to 3. So we are saying the answer from the second statement. The ratio of boys and girls in the class is 2 is to 3. So answer is a second option. Right, friends? You will go to the next question. What is the present age of Ajay? This is a reasoning question, friends. So what is the present age of Ajay means? Look at the first statement. Ajay age is more than his wife age. So Ajay age is more than his wife age. But whenever more than or less than, we cannot say exactly values. So that's why we cannot say the answer from the first statement. Even if we know the wife's age also, we cannot find the Ajay's age because they said more than. So first statement eliminate. Second one, his wife age is 25 years. So this is the irrelevant information. Why? Because we require the present age of Ajay. When you require the present age of Ajay, we should know only Ajay's information only. But second statement, they did not mention anything about Ajay's, only they mention about Ajay's wife. So according to second statement also, we cannot decide. While you are combining, Ajay's age is more than his wife age. And according to second statement, his wife age is 25 years. So Ajay's age must be more than 25 years. Must be more than 25 years means, here also remember that it is a inequal symbol, greater than. Ajay age is greater than 25 years means we should not say exactly age of Ajay. Why? Because Ajay age may be 26 years, maybe 27 years, maybe 28 years, maybe 30 years, maybe any year, but we cannot say exactly value. So that's why we cannot find the answer from the combined statements also. So while you are not getting the answer, while you combining both statement and first statement and second statement also, then we can keep answer as a D. So for this question, answer is a D, friends. Understood, friends? We have to say exactly values, exactly information we should give in the question. So here we cannot find exactly value of H. Now look at the next question. Who is the topper in the class? Who is the topper in the class means generally class consists of boys and girls. So we should know who is the topper in the boys. We should know topper in the girls. Then we have to combine the topper in the boys and the topper in the girls. Then we can say. Now look at the first statement. Vijay is the topper among the boys. Vijay is the topper among the boys means according to first statement we can say from boys side only. So from the boys side Vijay is the topper. But from girls side we don't know whether who is the topper, whether Vijay got more marks than topper of the girls are, less marks than topper of the girls are, we don't know. So first statement is not sufficient because we don't know anything about girls topper. Now second statement, Deepthi is topper among the girls and she got more marks than Vijay. Deepthi is topper among the girls and she got more marks than Vijay means according to second statement also we cannot say exactly. But most of the people they will keep answer as a B. Why? Because Deepthi is the topper among the girls and she got more marks than Vijay. So they will keep Deepthi and Vijay and they will keep answer as a B, which is a wrong answer. So here why it is a wrong answer means according to second statement, Deepthi is the topper among the girls and she got more marks than Vijay. So according to second statement we know Deepthi is the topper among the girls and she got more marks than Vijay. Who is Vijay? Here we don't know who is the Vijay. So Vijay is the topper among the boys or Vijay is the least among the boys we don't know. So second statement alone we cannot decide. While you are combining first statement and second statement together, we know that Vijay is the topper among the boys and we know that Deepthi is the topper among the girls and Deepthi got more marks than Vijay. So Vijay marks is less than Deepthi, or we can say Deepthi got more marks than Vijay. According to this one, Deepthi is the topper among all the students. So Deepthi is the topper in the class. So we are getting the answer from this statement question by combining first statement and second statement. So answer is equal to C, friends. So here answer is equal to C. We will go to the next question. What is the distance between the Bangalore to Hyderabad? This is also reasoning based questions. What is the distance between Bangalore to Hyderabad means we should say always a particular answer. We should not say different answer. Now look at the first statement. The distance between Bangalore to Vijayawada is 350 km. So this one we cannot say. Why? Because we want from Bangalore to Hyderabad. So first statement is not sufficient. So we can eliminate. Second statement. The distance between Vijayawada to Hyderabad is 300 km. Here also we cannot say from Bangalore to Hyderabad because they gave Vijayawada to Hyderabad. So we can eliminate second statement also. Here most of the students they will keep answer as a third option. Why third option they will keep means they will combine first statement and second statement. So Vijayawada to Bangalore to Vijayawada is 350 kilometers and Vijayawada to Hyderabad is 300 kilometers. So they will combine both and they will say the distance between Hyderabad to Vijayawada, Hyderabad to Bangalore is 650 kilometers. But this is the wrong answer. Why it is a wrong answer means they are asking what is the distance between Bangalore to Hyderabad via Vijayawada or via Chennai or via Delhi they're not mentioned anything. Just they're saying that what is the distance between Bangalore to Hyderabad. Suppose if you are going from Bangalore to Hyderabad via Vijayawada, the answer is 650 kilometers. But they're not all mentioned in the question clearly. And if you go for Bangalore to Chennai, Chennai to Hyderabad, the distance is the different. So here we don't know how we'll go from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Different situations we will go. We'll go via Vijayawada, we'll go Chennai and Vijayawada, we'll go Delhi or Vijayawada, you go for Calcutta and Vijayawada. So many ways you can go. So here we don't know the exactly route. So that's why answer is B. You cannot find the exactly distance from Bangalore to Hyderabad because they did not mention very clearly in the question. So here the answer is a D. Most of the people they will keep answer as a C, which is a wrong answer. They will combine together. Right friends? We'll go to the next question. Now look at the next question. Who is the tallest person among P, Q or ST? Who is the tallest person among P, Q or ST means we should find out who is the tallest. So we have to find out tallest person. Now look at the first statement. Q is the shortest person. But this is the irrelevant information because we don't know who is the tallest. So but from first statement we can say Q is the shortest, but this is not asking in the question. They are asking who is the tallest person. So we can eliminate the first option. Now look at the second statement. P is the taller than Q but shorter than S. So P is the taller than Q but shorter than S means according to second statement you can say S is taller than P and P is taller than Q. But according to second statement also we cannot say exactly. Why? Because still there are two people are left. One is R, another one is P, S. It's shorter than S. Sorry, P is taller than Q but shorter than S. So here we know only S and P and Q, but we don't know about R and T. So second statement also we cannot say the exactly answer. So we can eliminate choice B also. While you are combining first statement and second statement, from the first statement Q is the shortest person. So Q is the shortest. And P is greater than Q and S is greater than P. But while you are combining also, we don't know the relation among R and T with S, P, Q. So when we don't know the about R and T values, so we cannot find the answer. So for this question, answer is a D. Okay, now friends, we'll go to the next question. How A is related to B? How A is related to B means this is the blood relation question. So whenever how A is related to B means we should give a particular relation. We should not give a different relations. We should give always a particular relation. Okay, now friends, we should give always particular relation. Now look at the first statement. B is wife of C. B is wife of C means we can eliminate directly first statement. Why? Because the question is related to A and B. How A is related to B. But first statement they said B is a wife of C. This statement gives the information related to B and C. So we can eliminate the first choice. Now look at the second one. What is the second choice? C is the father of A. C is the father of A means here also we can eliminate the second statement clearly. Why? Because they gave the relation between C and A. But we want the relation between A and B. So we can eliminate second statement also. While you are combining first statement and second statement, so when you are combining first statement and second statement, we can say C is the father of A. If you take A, so C is the father. So father is C. But we don't know the relation between A and B. And from the first statement, B is the wife of C. So B is the wife of C means C and B are wife and husband. So here wife and husband means C is the father, B is a mother. So automatically while you are combining, when A is the son of C and C is the husband of B, automatically B is the mother of A. So in this case, answer is equal to C. By combining, we can decide the answer. Okay, friends. So like this we can find. But this question is sometimes wrong. Why? Because B is the wife of C and A is the son of C and C is the father of A. But we don't know exactly information related to A and B. Whether A is the son of B or B is the mother of A, we don't know. Why? Because in reasoning blood relations, we can say that B is the mother of A or A is the son of B. But here we don't know how A is. A gender we don't know here. When we don't know gender here, if A is a male, we can say A is the son. If we know that A is a female, we can say A is the daughter. So here we don't know the exactly gender of A. So that's why answer we cannot say. Most of the people, they will keep answer as C, which is a wrong. Right? Because we can say exactly value in data sufficiency. Whether A is the son of B or A is the daughter of B. So here we don't know the A gender. So that's why answer cannot be determined. Now look at the next question, friends. Is X even integer? Is X even integer means we have to say whenever they are asking is or can, thus whenever they will ask questions, tag questions, very important, we have to give a exactly answer. So when we can give this answer, there are two situations. If you get always yes, if you get always yes, we can say the answer. Similarly, if you get always no also we can say the answer. If you get always yes also we can say the answer. Always no also we can say the answer. But whenever they say sometimes yes, sometimes no. Whenever they say sometimes yes and sometimes no, in this case we cannot find the answer. Okay, students, whenever they say sometimes yes, sometimes no, in this case we cannot find. But whenever they say always yes or always no, in this case we can say the answer. So remember these two cases whenever you are getting is or can, does. If you say no also no problem, but we should say always. If you say yes also no problem, but we should say always. In this case we can find the answer. But if you say sometimes yes to sometimes no, in this case we cannot find. Remember very clearly. Now come to the question. Is X even integer? Is X even integer means we should say is always X is even or always we should say X is odd. Either we should say always X is even or always we should say X is odd. But we should not say sometimes even, sometimes odd. Then we cannot decide. Clear, students? Now come to the first statement. What is the first statement? 5 into X is an odd integer. So 5 into X is an odd integer. According to properties of integers, we have one important property. Odd into odd is always equal to odd. Odd into odd is always odd means if you are taking 5x is a odd means 5 is a odd integer into x is equal to odd. So according to this principle, only odd into odd is equal to always odd. So when 5 is odd, x must be odd. And only we can say 5x is a odd. So according to first statement, we are saying that x is a odd. So x is a odd, always we are saying. Whenever you take this statement anywhere, everybody is solving this one. And you say x is a odd. So you are getting x is a odd. But the question they are asking is x is a even or. But we are saying that no, x is a odd. We are saying no, x is a odd. It means you are saying exactly. So when you are saying exactly, then answer is a first statement. But if you say sometimes x is a even and sometimes x is a odd, in this case we cannot say the answer. Right students? So according to first statement, we can say the answer. Why? Because 5 is a odd and x is should be odd. Then only odd into odd should be equal to odd integer. Understood friends? Very important. They will ask at least 1 or 2 questions based on the properties of integers. So we should remember here all the properties. Now look at the next question friends. Is A father of B? Is A father of B? They are asking. This is also blood relations. So whenever you are asking this one, here they are asking is A father of B? That means you should say always yet A is the father of B, or we should say always no, A is not a father of B. But we should not say sometimes yes father, sometimes no, he is not a father. We should not say sometimes. Always you should say yes. Now come to the first statement. B is the son of A. B is the son of A means, now look at the first statement. Is A father of B? They are asking A to B. But second statement they say B is the son of A. So B is the son of A means, here we don't know A gender exactly. If A is a female, then we can say A is the mother of B. But A is a male, we can say A is the son of B. According to first statement, we cannot say the exactly relation A to B because we don't know the gender of A. If A is a female, we can say A is the mother of B because B is the son of A. But if A is a male, we can say A is the father of B because B is the son of A. So first statement we cannot say exactly. And second statement, C is the wife of A. So C is the wife of A means we can rule out this statement clearly. Why? Because they are asking question between A and B. But second statement they gave information between C and A. So we can rule out the second statement. But when you are cancelled the choice A statement, choice A and choice B, you have to combine both the statements. If you combine both the statements, now look at it. B is the son of A and C is the wife of A. C is the wife of A means compulsory C is the wife of A. C is the wife of A means C is a female. And C is the female, A must be a male. A must be a male means he must be a father of B because they said B is the son of A. B is the son of A means and if A is the male, we can say A is the father of B. Okay friends, so like this we can answer the data sufficiency questions. ICET they are asking 20 questions, very important, and in math exam in a reasoning section or data interpretation section they will ask you 5 to 6 questions. Very important student, right? So you will discuss remaining data sufficiency different year questions in the upcoming videos. So if you are like this video, please subscribe and follow my next video class. Thank you friends.